and how would this technology work? I'll take a glass of water. Okay, well, we are going to turn to light therapy for the answer to this, because I have been developing light therapy products now for 20 years. We have quite a bit of experience and knowledge in how to activate different biochemical pathways in the body with light. And we want to look at how can we do this? What are the control mechanisms for stem cells in the body? So the way this works is that instead of using a lamp or an LED or any type of electronic device, we're going to use a passive patch. You simply apply the patch to the body, and the patch will stimulate the skin with light. So we're not putting any chemicals from the patch into the body. The materials in the patch are completely sealed, and these materials are activated by your body heat. The patch will stimulate the skin with light and produce a biochemical change. So just like sunlight will cause the body to make vitamin D, this technology will stimulate the skin with light, elevate copper peptide, and this will activate the stem cells.